Hey there and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will explore InMotion, a top-rated hosting provider known for its reliability, performance, and excellent customer support. Whether you are starting a blog, launching an online store, or need an enterprise-level hosting, InMotion has a solution for you. So, let's get started. So at first, let's understand what the InMotion hosting provider is. InMotion is a hosting company that provides different hosting services to both individuals and businesses. They offer reliable solutions for websites, including, for example, shared hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated servers, WordPress hosting, and many more. This is the official website of InMotion Hosting, and here you can see some of the great features that the hosting provides, like, for example, onboard quickly, 24/7 support, complete server solutions, flexible billing. They are dedicated to security, and they have 90-day money-back guarantee. So you can test the hosting provider, and if for any reason you change your mind, you can let them know, and they will do a refund for you. Here you can see their website and some descriptions and info about their hosting. So let's go to the InMotion platform to see how the hosting provider actually works and what features and functionalities it offers. Here we have signed into our platform for InMotion Hosting, and here you can see the projects we have created so far. To create a new project, we need to click on the new project button here. We can write a name for our project, add a description, and click on the update button here. Here you can connect to UltraStack VPS by clicking on this button. By this, you can select your performance level. You can choose one of these available options. Then click Next button. And here you need to fill in your billing information. You need to choose the payment method. And here you can see you can choose the renewal period, etc. Then once you are done, you can click on the Submit Order button and go ahead. We can now go back to our projects part. So here we can check this one, which is this project, which is already connected to the UltraStack VPS, and we can click on the Manage Environment button here. Here you can see the server size, host name, IP address, and region, and you can see that the project is running quite fine. You can see the WordPress version here and the UltraStack version. Then we can go to the configure part. Here you can configure the settings for your site. For example, you can write a site URL here. You can click on enter manually and add your domain name here. For example, example.com. Here you can choose auto SSL. You can choose a cache profile. For example, it is currently no caching. You can choose WordPress, WordPress multi-site, pass all, etc. and switch to your choice. Then you can specify your PHP version. Currently this one is active. You can take this one and switch to that. We will stick on this one. Then we can go to the optimize page. Here you can improve the experience of your users by increasing website performance, reducing load time, and increasing the speed of the website. And for that, you just need to enable the W3 Total Cache plugin. For that, you need to click on Enable Plugin button, and then we can go to the Recover page, and here you can create a snapshot of your server that will preserve the state of your server files, databases, and configuration from a specific moment in time. For creating a snapshot, you just need to click on this button. To create a snapshot, you just need to click on a Create Snapshot button here, write a name, and click Update. Let's go back to our projects. Here you can see the playground part where you can experiment with your new ideas or create demo sites for your website visitors or clients. Here we have already created 2 playgrounds, and to add a new one we just need to click on the Add Playground button here and wait a little bit. So by this, a new pop-up will appear. Here you need to specify the name, write a description, and click on the update button. So it is created. You can delete it if you want, then you can check it out if you want. Also here we can click on the admin button here, and you will be redirected to the admin dashboard, WordPress dashboard, where you can create posts, pages, install and uninstall the plugins you want. So as you can see, this process is managed very quickly. Also here we can click and view our website like this. That's it. So with the next step, we can go to the domains page, and here we can see that the hosting gives you the chance to choose the name of your hosting. You just need to write, for example, your desired domain name, like this, for example, and click check availability here. It will show different number of websites and their availability, whether they can be used or not. For example, this one is already taken and you can't use them. Also here they have a feel lucky button, which will make this process much easier. Then with the next step, we can go to the email page, and here you can find this affordable solution starting at $1.99 per month. So you can start sending and receiving emails from your domain starting at this affordable price. So as we are done with the platform, we can quickly check the website and the packages. Here you can see 3 packages: self-managed, fully managed, and enterprise with their prices. Here you can see differences between the packages. 50,000 plus visits per month, and these numbers differ based on the package. High availability VPS, it is available in 3 packages. Here you can see the differences, and for example, basic security, advanced security, and they are different depending on the packages. And here you can see features that are not available here but are available in higher packages. So you can compare these packages and choose the one that meets your needs best. So as we have already discussed the features and functionalities included in each package, it is quite important to understand who is InMotion for. InMotion Hosting is for small business owners, agencies and freelancers, and of course developers and designers. For example, if you are a small business owner, you can get the performance your business site demands with the tools you need. For example, you can get WordPress pre-installed, website migration support, it is available for you. You can add domains and emails to any plan. You can have fast WooCommerce stores. Or if you are agency or freelancer, you can improve load times and core web vital scores for client sites with robust tools and optimized hosting. For example, you can have fast and reliable cloud servers. You can use teams to collaborate. You can manage domains, DNS, and email. For developers and designers, the platform caters to rapid site creation, easy website transfers, and provides all the tools you need to create your best work. For example, you can have cost-effective and scalable hosting plans. You can manage domains and DNS. You can have pre-built caching profiles for non-developers, dedicated IP address and free SSL, etc. So if you are a small business owner, agency or freelancer or a developer or designer, you will gain many benefits from using InMotion Hosting. So today together we have explored the powerful features and functionalities InMotion Hosting Provider offers us. If you find the video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the notification bell for more informative content. Bye!